So hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another unboxing. This time of the Kanto Ora reference desktop speakers. I actually auditioned this in the audio shop and I was really impressed with the sound quality, and it was actually an instant buy for me. This costs around 350 USD, but I bought it on sale, so it was down to around $300 or around 16,500 Philippine pesos when I bought it from Lazada. Right, so let's begin with the unboxing. Okay, so here, very nice packaging. This actually was double box, so I already took out the brown box that covers this box. So let's go through the box first. Okay, so here it says reference desktop speakers. I really don't know if they're really reference, but that's what they say in the box. 100 watts, which is 50 watts per speaker, left and right. 0.75 inch tweeter and a 3-inch woofer. Class D bi-amplifier, Bluetooth 5.0, so you can actually connect your phone or your mobile device to these speakers and stream music to these speakers. And you can use traditional RCA, for example, USB-C, and this would be the best connection, of course, if you want to connect it to your PC, especially if you're gaming. And there's actually a subwoofer output, right? So with automatic crossover network, that means it will automatically send the low frequencies to the subwoofer without any tuning on your end, right? Okay, so that's the back of the speaker. The side of the box is pretty much plain, right? So nothing else to see there. So let's start the unboxing. Okay, my trusty cutter again, right? I've had these cutters for this blade for years already, and it's the star of my unboxing videos. Okay, so here we go. So of course you have the Kanto user manual, highlighting their other products as well, the U2, U6, U4, the stands, and so on. So let's see what else is inside the box. So you have here 8 rubber pads for the speakers, 4 for each pair. And then here you have 60 days free of high-res music streaming from Qobuz. I've never heard of Qobuz. Okay, so here you have your what's in the box information, I guess. Right, so, or maybe your quick start guide. Okay, so this is basically what's at the back of the speaker. Okay. And of course you have the actual user manual. So the user manual comes in English, Espanol, and French. Okay, all right. So let's take a look at. So yeah, maybe I could just give you a quick overview of the manual. So what's inside the box. So as you can see, the 2 speakers should be there, the power cord and a power brick. Right, and let me just show you what else is inside. So you can feel free to take a screenshot. Okay, so this is the front and the rear of the speakers. As you can see, you have here, I'll show you of course the actual later on, right? And then how to set up the speakers, connecting different audio sources, whether through your smartphone or smart home device, like if you have a Google Home speaker or Alexa speaker or maybe a HomePod, then you can use this as your Bluetooth speaker as well. And then you have here through USB-C, you can connect your computer or tablet. And if you have a turntable and that uses RCA, or even a retro game console like PS1, what have you, still have that. Even a cassette player, you can connect that to the device, to the speakers using phono jacks, right? And as I mentioned earlier, this also has a subwoofer output, and it automatically sends the lower frequencies to the subwoofer, and that's nice. I don't have a subwoofer, and when I heard this, I didn't find the need for one because I was actually impressed when I heard it right out of the box. Okay, so let's go to the star of the show, the actual speakers themselves, right? Okay. All right. It's actually not that heavy. I actually had the Audio Engine A2s before and the Audio Engine A1s. I think those are even heavier than this one. And let me just use my blade to open this. All right. Okay. Wow. Very nice build quality. It's all black, which can be which can blend in very easily with a computer setup. Now, unlike the Kanto U2, the U4, which come in different colors, they even have walnut, bamboo, even I think, blue, red, teal, and so on. Unfortunately, the Kanto only comes in black. So, yeah, but I think the build quality is very good. I mean, not it's nothing extraordinary, but I think it's pretty good. And let's take a look at the rear of the right speaker. So as you can see here, you actually have here a hole where you can use it to screw to a mount, for example, just in case you want to mount it on a wall, right? And then you have here the Bluetooth button for pairing, the subwoofer output, the RCA jacks, the RCA inputs. Then here for USB-C, so if you want to connect it to your PC. And then here is the connection to the left speaker. And of course, this is your power. Okay, so that's the right speaker. And of course, you have the volume knob. And you can actually use this as well to change inputs. So if you want to change from phono to USB-C or Bluetooth, you can use that as well. So this is the 0.75-inch tweeter. And as you can see, there's a wave guide. And it was very well designed and deliberate by the designers. And then here you have the 3-inch woofer. Okay, so that's the right speaker. Let's move on to the left speaker. Oh, sorry. Okay. Did I do it wrong? How do you open this? Can't see the oh, here it is. Sorry about that. Okay. Alright, so here's the left speaker, and as you can see, it's very plain. You just have here the hole for the mounting, and then again, this is just the cable, the whole cable hole for the cable coming from the right speaker, and that's about it. So very plain, less cluttered, right? Because you only have one cable running from the right speaker to the left speaker, and that's it. Okay, so the power comes here as well, so you don't need speaker cables actually, unlike the audio engines. This one comes with just this cable. Okay, all right, so let's take a look at what else is inside the box. This is the last box within the box, right? Okay, so here you have your power cable. So yeah, this one is US flat prongs. Okay, and this is the cable that will run from your right speaker to the left speaker, and this is quite long. Let me just show you how long this is. This is probably easily, I think around 5 feet maybe, or 2 meters, maybe 5 to 6 feet. Okay. All right, so I guess for most setups that would do. But if you want your speakers farther apart, then I guess this won't do. And finally, you have the power brick. So I guess you need somewhere to hide this, right? And a barrel input for your power. And is there anything else? I guess that's it. So I'm gonna test this out for the next few weeks, and I'll come back with another review, and hopefully I can compare it with the other speakers like the Audio Engine, and yeah, and give you my honest opinion on the Kanto Ora. I'm so excited to test out these babies. So thank you again for watching this video, and I hope you like and subscribe to this channel for more unboxing and reviews of just anything tech. Thank you very much. Bye. Till the next time.